Guys, kung naghanap kayo ng budget PC for 1080p gaming, streaming, and productivity, and meron din kasamang freebies, then check nyo to. So itong PC na to is meron ng AMD Ryzen 5 5500 which has decent 6 cores and 12 threads na goods na for gaming and productivity. For motherboard is the Gigabyte A520M-K version 2 Ultra Durable. And kung gusto niyo i-upgrade yung motherboard, add lang kayo ng 1K para sa built-in Wi-Fi at saka pwede mong i-connect yung mga ARGB niya sa motherboard. Next naman is the Gigabyte RTX 3050 WindForce OC 8GB na graphics card which is decent na yung price this 2025. Then for the RAM, Lexar 16GB 2x8 na 3200MHz DDR4. Next naman for the SSD, the Gigabyte na 500GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, Gigabyte P550S 80 Plus Silver Power Supply, and Antec VX300M ARGB na may kasama ng 4 ARGB fans dito sa loob. And honestly po, pre-built na plug and play na lang sa bahay nyo, yung specs dito is decent na talaga. Reliable yung mga brands, reasonable yung specs, at okay din to sa performance. Gusto talaga tong PC na to for FPS games like Valorant and Bloodstrike na makapaglaro ka ng ganitong FPS. Decent na rin for 1080p low-mid settings sa mga AAA games since meron na tong RTX features and DLSS na nakapag-increase ng FPS sa mga games natin. And as you all know, nagtataasan talaga lahat ng mga price ng components right now. Kaya I highly recommend this pre-built PC since reasonable pa rin yung specs niya for budget to performance PC. But the good thing about this pre-built PC guys is meron na tong freebies na Steam code worth 1,000 pesos para pwede kang bumili ng games sa Steam. So once again, kung interesado ka sa 1080p budget PC, then check this out. Isasave ko na lang yung link and that's it guys.